In today's video, I'll show you how you can add blur in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So first of all is that if you just want a blur on the whole video, that would be so much easier. You just need to go here into Edit tab, go into Effects, and then in here, you just need to go into Open Effects, and then you want to type in blur, and then you would have the kinds of blur that you would be able to add into your video, and then you could hover over them, and then you'd be able to see a preview on how it would look like. For example, I would want the radial blur right there, so I would want to drag it into my clip. And from here, I just need to go into the Inspector tab right here in the top right, and this is where I would be able to set the options that I would want on how I would want the effect to look like. Like we have some options right here that we could customize for the effects, so it would vary depending on the effect or blur of your choosing. So yeah, it's basically this simple, and once you're satisfied, that's it. You now have this blur. Now, what if you just want a blur that would follow a object, a subject, or maybe you would want to blur a face? Here's how you can do it. So first, I'm going to go and remove the radial blur. And in this time is that you would need to go into the Color tab. Now in here is that you want to right click here on the node, and then now is that you just simply would want to add a node. So click here on add a node and add serial. Now in here is that once this new node is selected, you want to go into this one right here in the shapes section. So it is this icon. You want to click on that, and then you would now have the shape, and then you can now choose the shape that you would want to be. So for example, I would want a square, and I would now click on that square, and then now I would have this mask. So I just simply need to mask my subject with this square, like for example, like that. And if you're wondering what the magenta dot stands for, that is the feather. So you could increase that, so that would be much smoother on the edges when we apply the blur. So just like that. And then once you have done that, is that I would want it to track the subject. So to do that, so go here into the Tracker tab. And now from here, you would want to click on this button right here to track the frames forward for the subject. And you want to make sure that your playhead is in the beginning of the clip or where you would want the tracking to start. So in my case, it's in the beginning right there. So I think that is fine. Now I'm going to click here, and it would now track the subject with the mask right here and ensure that it is inside a mask all the time. And now once it's done, you will now be able to play it like this. As you can see, the mask would follow the subject, and all that's left is to go here into Effects right here and then add a blur. So you have the blur right here. So for example, I would want mosaic blur, and then I would want to add it into the video, and then I would now have mosaic blur right here, and I could now just increase the value right here. And as you can see, there is now blur applied into the video. And here we have it. Here's the result. So when I go back into the Edit tab and I play it, this is the result that we have. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.